Today I will explain changes to chapter 10 in 5 parts. 1. Associated enterprises, 2. International transaction, 3. Specified domestic transaction, 4. Arm's length price and 5. Assessment proceedings. Help me break it down. What are the changes to the term associated enterprises? AEs in section 92A add 2 layers. First speaks about management, capital or control, and the second provides 13 specific circumstances. Should this be read cumulatively? To end this debate, section 162 is now a single integrated section. Section 162 on AE is applicable for whole chapter, thereby other sections referring 92A for AE is removed. There is one more which I will discuss along with SDT. Oh, okay. So then let me know the changes to SDT first. AE in section 92A was only for international transaction. Just to avoid litigation, the term is now defined for SDT also. Further, allowance for any expense or interest on SDT was independently referred in 92.2a, while for international transaction it was an explanation to section 92.1. Now they are merged in 161.2. Act 2025 is particular about being simple and clear. I could see that. So what about changes to international transaction? The international transaction was defined under section 92b1 and a clarification to the expression was provided by the explanation. Now this is merged in section 163.1. The explanation on the expression intangible property is now in section 163.3. Okay, so technically explanations are not removed. Instead transitioned as subsection, clauses or notes. Now tell us the changes to the core concept of ALP. Just to broaden, section 92C computation of arm's length is now renamed in 165 as determination of arm's length. In 92C, range concept was not applicable for single comparable. Now in 165, 3% range concept is introduced for single comparable. Range concept for single comparable is long due and happy that it is finally addressed. So finally, what about assessment proceedings? Deeming provisions of pending proceedings in section 92cc now provides a determinate time limit in 168 till closure of APA. Faceless scheme notified in section 92CA8 is now referred in section 532, a common section that refers to faceless assessment scheme. Those are simple changes, but I feel heavy. So once again, thank you for decrypting the changes in Act 2025.